Hello everyone. Once again this is Mohammed Nafris. In this video we are going to see how to access subject resources added by your lecturer from VLE. So let's move to VLE. So after you logged in, you will have this window where you can find your subject that you have been already enrolled. So in this case, I have assigned, have enrolled for two subjects. These are the two subjects. Now let me go into the subject. Okay, so this is the classroom for internet development, and you can see there are resources here like announcement, discussion for exam date. This is something like discussion forum or chat window between lecturer and the students, or a lecturer and a particular student. And here these are some file and feedback form, quizzes. All these resources are required to added by the particular lecturer. So here it's topic one mean it can be a week one or lecture week one, whatever it is. It can be in different form. So you can hear there are many resources here. So if you want to see what are the announcement posted by your lecturer, then you have to click this announcement link. So there are two announcements made by your lecturer. So one is midterm exam and second one quiz. If you want to see what is inside, then click a particular announcement. So inside quiz, so this is the announcement. There will be a quiz on introduction to internet development on 14th May 2020 at 9:30 a.m. So this is something like a notification or a message to the students. So the advice is you have to frequently check what are the announcements available in your course. So next one is a discussion for a exam date. This is not actually an announcement. This is something like a discussion forum or a chat between students. So if you send a message, it will send to your lecturer. So once he see the message, he will reply you, or other students also reply to your message. Likewise, you can see view past chat session related to this particular topic. So if you want to see, you have to click list all sessions. So here are these are the previous chat histories between your lecturer and you. So next one, let's see this one. So this is something file, Excel file. Okay, so if you click this one, the file will be downloaded. So likewise, it can be PDF or a PowerPoint. It can be any kind, any type of file. So next one, feedback. That means your lecturer expecting a feedback. So if you want to give feedback, just click go inside and give your feedback. So next one is a quiz. He has assigned a quiz for you. So if you want to attempt this quiz, just click it. So this is the quiz. So this is the summary of this quiz. Total time is 2 minutes, and grading method highest grade. And actually this student already attempt one times for this quiz, and this is the summary marks for this quiz. So if your lecturer allow you to do the reattempt for a particular quiz, you will have this button here. If you want to do reattempt, just click and do the quiz again. So this is the quiz. Just click the answer, and the time is running here. Just submit the page. Yes, there are two questions and two are completed. So you have completed your questions. Okay, if you confirm, just click submit all and finish. So you will have the answer immediately. So you have your answer is this is the feedback for your quiz. You have correctly selected 2. The correct answer is, so everything is available here. So if you finish the review, actually this is the review page for the particular quiz. You taken 33 seconds, marks 1.33 out of 3.0. Maybe it may have some minus system. So that means if you made any mistake, your marks will be reduced from your total marks. So finish review. Your first attempt you scored 2.0. In the second attempt you scored 1.33. So if you have another attempt, you can click this reattempt quiz button. So likewise there are another quiz here. If you want, you can click and attempt the quiz as I mentioned here. And this is something like yes, book. Your lecturer uploaded a book here. If you want to see or if you want to print out this book, just click the book. And the book details are appeared here. This is the table of content. Since he has added only one chapter, we have here only this is only. So if you want to take the printout of full book or a particular chapter, just click this button and here print book or print this chapter, whatever you wish. You can click on this and you will go to another window, new window. Here the particular chapter or the full book will be appeared here. So if you confirm, click print this chapter. So by clicking this one, you can take a printout for the particular book. Next one, assignment. So if he published an assignment, so you can access this assignment. You can read the assignment questions or a description here. So once you complete your assignment, you have to submit it. So to submit your assignment, click edit submission. So in this page you can upload your file. Just click this one. Okay, choose your file. You have to select where your file is, and you can give any name or whatever. And upload it, or else you can upload your file from your private files also. If you already uploaded a file in VLE, you can upload from your private file if it is available here. So if you confirm, then you can save it. So once you save it, this file will be sent to your lecturer for the review. See, it is saying you have submitted your assignment submission for assignment 1. That means you have submitted this assignment sent to your lecturer for the review or correction. So this is the summary file. Submission status, when you submit, what is the due date, and the file you have submitted a while ago. If you want to remove this submission, just click this one, it will be removed. So likewise there are many resources can be added by your lecturer, like Zoom meeting, anything can be added. By clicking each event or resources, you can access those resources. So that's all about. Other than this, we must know some other option which is related to the same page or a same virtual classroom for this subject is these available options. Some of these options we have already discussed in the previous video. Therefore, I'm just going to show you the important options for relevant to this subject. That is this one, grade. If you click this one, it will bring you to another page where you can find out the overall grade for your assignment for the subject internet development. It's kind of a report actually. So this is the overall results for quiz 1. you know we have done two reattempt, but here we can see the overall result. And here this is the assignment result that is already uh, corrected by your lecturer. If you resubmit, sometimes he may correct it again. You will have a different result only if he accepted your resubmission. And this quiz I didn't assign, I didn't submit, I didn't sit for this quiz, therefore it is saying 0 points. And finally, this is the overall grade for the subject internet development. And other than these dashboard, that is we have already discussed, this is calendar. So if you click this calendar, you can see what are the events or resources or meeting assigned for the particular subject in a particular month. This is also we have discussed already. So that's all for this video. And in addition to this one, I have to uh, remind you one thing. If you use the mobile application for the Moodle, the same thing you can see there. We don't need to go for a separate video for that. This video is enough to access mobile Moodle application, to access subject resources through mobile application. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day.